Hello friends, welcome to Digiliterate YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Monetag. Are you driving traffic from Facebook, Instagram, TikTok or Twitter and making zero money from it? What if I told you there is a single link that can turn every click into cash? No website needed, no AdSense approval, nothing complicated. Today I'm going to show you how to do it using Monetag SmartLink. And by the end of this video, you will have your own link ready to go. Now let's go to the laptop screen and see step by step how to do it. Hey, hi guys. So welcome to my laptop screen right now. You're seeing, as you can see that I would like to start with like what is Monetag. So it is one of the most established ad network out there. So they have been in the game for over a decade. As you can see, they was established like in 2012. So it's been a long time they have been in the game and they are a very reputable company out there, right? So they have been working with thousands of advertisers from across the world. Now there are plenty of smart link platform out there, as you know. But here's why Monetech stands out. Competitive CPM rates they have, by the way. So first thing is they have competitive CPM rates. You get paid well per click. Work for any country. So it doesn't matter you are from India, Pakistan, or any other Asia country, or even from the Western country, or even from the USA. It works for any country. They have 24/7 support, by the way. And the payouts are also fast, like $5. Even if you earn minimum of $5, you can withdraw them, right? So the smart link. This is the video about smart link. So there are different type of links. We are talking about smart link, which is also called as direct link. So you can go to this page, by the way. Monetech .com/formats smart link. You'll see all the information about what smart link is. They also call this as a direct link. So basically you can include this link in any of your uh, content. So if you are sharing Facebook content, Twitter content, all you need to do is take that link. The user clicks on it, and based on the suitability of his geolocation, his interest, he sees the relevant ads, and that's how smart link works, right? Um, so that's what I wanted to talk about, and you can check this page. It's very simple. They have the highest CPMs. They also introduce AI, so you get paid more efficiently. So they have the weekly payouts as well, right? So as you can see, if you are a social publisher, site owner, affiliate and media buyer, advertising and CPA networks, all of those can use Smartly. Now moving on to the next thing. So getting started is pretty easy. You need to visit Monetag website, and from here you need to click on the sign up button, and you need to choose either your Google account or your individual email ID. As you can see, so once you choose it, you will require to fill some information like that: your name, your address, your phone number. All that details matter, by the way, because if it's inaccurate, Monetech will not be able to pay you. So make sure all your account details are valid and accurate. Suppose I choose the Google ID, and I will not now go to choose this one of my email ID. Now, as you can see, I need to choose between individual and company details. So I'm an individual, so I will do individual. If you're a company, you can choose that. Just enter your residence, your city, your contact details. ID verification may be required. Remember that. Choose what type of traffic you are trying to monetize. Since we are talking about direct links and social traffic monetization, we will choose this. But if you want to monetize your website traffic, you can do that as well. Of course, with social traffic also we can monetize your website traffic using direct links or smart links. We will see that in a while. You need to tell them about your audience, how did you hear them, if you have a part of any other affiliate network, what tools do you get. So all you have to do and accept this term and solve these things, right? And click on sign up, and this is how the dashboard looks like, guys. So let me show you what this dashboard is all about. It's very simple. Direct links are nothing but smart links. If you want to monetize, all you have to do is click on the direct link and your link is ready. So you can share this link on social media, website, anywhere. We'll come to that, how you will share it and what are the ways. But you can click as many direct links you want to share on different platform. Like suppose you want to share this for Facebook, so you can just name this Facebook link. Suppose you want to share this link on website,
website link, right? So all you have to do is name them, and once you start sharing, you will see the stats in the stats section. You will see all the stats once you start getting traffic for on your links. So that's about it, guys. Smart link is nothing but a direct link. They are the same. Make sure your payments system is updated. You can connect with PayPal, Skrill, Pioneer, etc. They also have referral programs. So if you want to get 5% of all referral revenue from the people who share, you can do that. So you will get paid 5% of the revenue that is generated by the people who sign up using your link. So that's about it, guys. That's about it. So now coming to the smart links or direct link we are talking about, where you can share it. Suppose I have a Twitter account, right? And I'm tweeting something, right? um, Suppose I am tweeting something, like example, today is a great day, check this link. All you can do is copy that smart link and share it. That's about it, guys. Once person checks this link, they will be directed directly to the ads. They will see the ads based on uh, their geography, location, and their interest, and you will start making money. So you can share this link on uh, Facebook, Twitter, or even if you have website. Suppose I have this website, some links here, right? Suppose this is the button, so you can add that link inside this button. Once a person clicks on it, they will be redirected to this ad, and you will make money. So you can do that inside your blogs, etc. So I hope you understood this. So that's it, guys. So if you are someone who is putting more efforts on increasing their social media audience, followers, then why not try Monetag? It's one of the easiest way to make money. And as you see, I got started instantly, right? No AdSense approval needed, no YouTube channel monetization requirements, no website requirement. Just 5 minutes to sign up, get that direct link, share with your audience, share on social media, and start making money. So if you like this video, check this link in the description. You can try with Monetag right away, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. I will see you in my next video, and if you have any questions, drop them below.